So the question is, how do I pick a mortgage professional? Whether it be a loan officer, a loan originator, a banker, a broker, and so on. It's very easy. It's trust. It's how do you trust someone? How do you trust this person? Do you feel comfortable with this person? Are they answering your questions in a clear and concise manner? Are they making sure you leave happy, you leave content, that one of your biggest investments is in the right hands? That's very important. Comfortability and knowledge. The thing to do is ask a lot of questions. I recommend you ask questions about closing costs, bank fees, associated items, etc., etc. Everything's broken down and is not hard to read. What you're mostly going to be concerned with, the only thing that's really going to change, is going to be the bank's fees. So those are the fees you really want to be concerned with, because mortgage tax and title and everything else is not under the control of the banker. They're either under the control of your attorney or the state. So the bank's fees, the lender's fees, the broker's fees, loan originator's fees, what are you getting paid? That's a great question to ask somebody. How do you get paid? By asking that question, you should receive a clear, concise, and satisfying answer. If you don't, I don't think you found the right person. That's the first thing. Asking a lot of questions, and not only that, questions show interest. They hear a lot of questions coming from you. They see you're interested, and that you want to learn more about them, about their company, about what they're doing for you. So it's very important that you ask those questions. I cannot stress it enough. The other thing you're going to want to know is, now what's the rate? What's the APR, the annual percentage rate? You want to make sure the annual percentage rate is as close to the interest rate as possible. That's the true cost of your loan over the life of your loan. And what does that mean? Well, let's just say your interest rate is 3% and your APR is 3.25%. The APR is taking all your closing costs and your loan amount, adding them together, amortizing it over the life of your loan, and telling you what the true cost of the money you're borrowing is. The interest rate is the interest rate at which the lender is lending you the money at, but that's not the APR. So if your APR is a big, huge gap in it, there's a lot of fees, and most likely there's going to be a lot of lender fees and broker fees. So that's the most important thing to look at. Not rate, look at the APR. And this pretty much concludes how you would find your mortgage broker. You want to be comfortable with them. You want to make sure they answer all of your questions, and you want to make sure you understand those answers. And if you don't, and they won't elaborate, then you just might not have the right person. Someone being in the business 15 years like myself, I've held every position from processor to underwriter. When I look at a deal, I can pretty much tell you if that deal's going to close, where the hiccups are going to be, where the problem areas are, and where the hurdles, and how we can get over them, if we can get over them. And that's what you get in me when you hire me to do a loan for you. My knowledge and my resources, they're all available. Thank you, and we'll be on to the next session soon.